How to change the odds format in OneXBet. First of all, open the OneXBet app and log into your account. Once you are on the main screen, tap the menu icon located at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Settings by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner. Then, scroll down through the Settings option until you find the Odds Type section. Once you tap on that, you will see a list of different formats available. These includes US, English, Decimal, Hong Kong, Indonesian, and Malay. Each format displays odds in a slightly different style based on your regional preferences. Just tap on the format you are comfortable with. For example, if you prefer seeing odds in decimal style, tap decimal. If you are familiar with UK style betting, go for English. For US based odds, select US and so on. As soon as you select on, it will automatically apply across the entire app. You don't need to save anything, the change happen instantly. You can come back and switch formats anytime you want by following these same steps. And that's it. Now you know how to change the odds format in OneXBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.